All right, students, you might hear some noise in the background. There's only a couple minutes before my first period class comes in. This is going to be the second part of your 500-point midterm exam. You've seen this before. Some of them it's going to be a little bit different. Actually, not on this side of the page, but you need to make sure you go through and answer each one of these questions. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 questions. You need to make sure you answer them. Also, if the question asks you for work, for example, here it says, what is the speed of the train between Bristol? I need to see your work. Do not just put an answer or you will not get credit. So I guess I'll just go ahead and say you already know. You need to write the formula. Speed equals distance over time. Okay, then you need to sub in the values with your units and then give me your answer with the correct units over here, whatever they should be. It says here miles per hour, so you should go ahead. We can only put miles per hour. Okay, so I want to have, I want to see all your work written out like this. The formula, plug in the values, and then you solve. Okay, if it asks you for the speed or something like that. Okay, the same thing on this side. Now, I want you to be careful on this side. Okay, a couple things. You want to read it because I've changed some of the numbers. So you want to be careful of that so it's not going to be exactly the same. Okay, you want to make sure here I've given you, I didn't put any numbers over here. You need to do that yourself. It says use quarter-mile intervals for your distance. Okay, just so you aware, a quarter is 1/4. So every fourth one is going to be a mile. So for example, it's going to go, okay, this would be, this your distance. This will be 0. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, and these are quarter-mile intervals. That's like 0.25. Okay, so 25 cents. 0.5 is like 50 cents. 0.75 like 75 cents, $1. Okay, then you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 2, and so on and so forth. That's using quarter-mile intervals. Down here, you already know that you leave at 12. That didn't change. Okay, so you'll put that in. You want to use 10-minute intervals down here. Okay, but then again, like I said, you want to be careful because some of the numbers have changed, some of the times have changed. Again, over here, if it asks you to calculate speed, I want to see the formula. Okay, and I want to see the numbers plugged in. What's the distance over the time? Now, if you need to do a little scratch work, you can put that on another piece of paper. Okay, but I want this work neat. Okay, so whatever, you're going to get some number here with some units. Okay, you'll get a number here with some units. Okay, and then you'll give me your answer, you know, in the correct units there. All right, but I want to see formula, values plugged in, do the math somewhere else on a piece of scratch paper, and just the answer here. If you don't do all of this right here, you will not get credit. All right, get started.